So welcome guys once again to CarsKenya channel. So today we are going to feature this 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the TDI 4Motion version, the Highline trim of the Tiguan. So up front under the hood we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine producing about 150 horsepower and about 340 Newton meters of torque. Paired to that is a 7-speed DSG transmission and 4Motion 4-wheel drive. So that 4-wheel drive system gives it confidence, maybe when you're going through a slippery road or maybe a wet kind of surface, it gives you that confidence in terms of performance. So basically that's it. So looking at the design of this particular 2018 Tiguan, looking at the lights, we have this again amazing DRL, that 2 projector design, and then we have the indicators down here. The grille looks wider so that the car looks a bit bigger. Clean lines, sharp lines, making it look stylish. Of course, there's that robust German design to it. And the tires, they move from 17-inch to 18-inch, depending on which trim you go for. The entry level is the tread line. You go to comfort line, then you go to high line, and finally you have the R line version, which is the most sporty version of this particular German SUV. Looking at these sharp lines, you have this amazing line running from this front right fender all the way to the back. It makes it look very stylish, also aerodynamic. Back here you have up to almost 615 liters of boot space. The release for the seats are on the sides. You have a 100 volts socket up there. It's pretty spacious. Under here you have more space. So these are the nets that come with it. So it's a very practical SUV for a daily user, as well as someone who's looking to go out on an adventure. And again, one thing about this Tiguan that I like is the fuel efficiency. It will give you about up to 17 kilometers per liter on a highway, 17 to 20 kilometers on a highway, but on traffic, maybe 14 to 16 kilometers per liter. So if you're looking for efficiency on an SUV that blends in luxury, comfort, and style, then this would be the perfect German SUV to go for, this particular 2-liter diesel of the Tiguan. So let's take a look at the interior. Stepping into this German SUV, the first thing I notice is the strong steering feel, typical of a German SUV, nicely leather wrapped. And it's not so thick like some other SUVs are. The sitting position is very comfortable. It's seated high. Seeing out of this vehicle is very, very easy. I can see the 2 sides of the corners of the bonnet. So basically it's well loaded in terms of technology and safety features. You have your lane cruise control, your lane keeping assist, and you have this amazing infotainment system that is a touchscreen. This is the 2nd generation that comes with this technology. You have your dual climate control down here. You have your heated seats down here. Of course, you have your the A-stop down here, and of course you have your 4-wheel drive mode. You have your rock and crawl, you have your sand and snow. So depending on the terrain you're cruising, right now we're just on the normal. You have your cup holders down here. Basically it's a very practical vehicle. You have a deep glove box down here, and then up here of course you have a decent small, they would say it's a small size glove box, but enough maybe for putting some few items there. So all through you have that soft touch premium feel in terms of the material. The seats are very comfortable. They hold you well in place even when you're going on long drives or as a daily user. It depends. It's very well placed, and the build quality in here, I can tell you for sure, it's unmatched compared to other competitors within its trim. So that's it basically about this particular German SUV. So stepping into the back of the Tiguan, and again that premium feel runs all the way to the back. You have a decent amount of cabin space back here, and we have this table in case you'd like to use it. Maybe you're having lunch, or maybe you'd like to use it for working. You can put your laptop here, even though it's a bit higher. You have your cup holders in the middle. Headroom, it's pretty decent. Leg room, it's very nice. And then the traditional glove box that is very unique. The roof glove box, very unique to the Tiguan, as you can see. So in case you want to store some items. So practicality is very much on this particular SUV. So guys, that's a wrap on the short review for this particular 2018 VW Tiguan. In case you are looking for such a German SUV, whether it's similar, maybe a trim for a BMW, Mercedes or Audi, then visit us at our office, Bishop Magua Center, which is right opposite former Uchumi Hyper where it used to be. And let's see what we can offer you today.